Welcome to my channel. Orbilogin.com. Secure login tips for better Wi-Fi management. Step 1. Connect to your Orbi network. Make sure your phone or laptop is connected to your Orbi Wi-Fi before you try logging in. If you're not on the network, the page won't load. Step 2. Open Orbilogin.com. Go to your browser and type Orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1. Both should bring up the login page. Step 3. Enter the default login. If you've never changed it, the username is usually admin and the password is password. Type it in just to get inside. Step 4. Change the admin password. First thing, don't keep password as your password. Go into settings and create a strong one. Mix in numbers, caps, and a symbol or two. Step 5. Update the router firmware. While you're logged in, check for updates. Outdated firmware can leave your network exposed. Click on Update if one's available. Step 6. Rename your Wi-Fi network. Default names scream easy target. Change your SSID to something unique but not personal. Avoid names like your street or last name. Step 7. Set a strong Wi-Fi password. Make your Wi-Fi password long and tough. Don't use birthdays, phone numbers, or simple words. Something random is always better. Step 8. Turn off remote management. Unless you really need it, disable remote access. That way, no one outside your network can try logging into your router. Step 9. Check connected devices. Look at the device list. If something shows up that you don't recognize, block it right away. Step 10. Log out when done. Don't just close the browser tab. Hit Log Out to end the session so no one else can mess with the settings on your device. Thanks for watching.